Hi, this is Dr. P. Rajesh Kumar. I'm from Chennai. I'm an orthodontist. I basically came for this 3D image conversion course workshop to update myself on the recent technologies which has happened in the dentistry front and how we are incorporating 3D image conversion into dentistry. In case of aligners or manufacturing or making guides for surgery. This 2-day workshop was amazing. A lot of inputs, a lot of amazing information about the latest technique and also how we can go about doing a surgical guide. It was amazing. I appreciate Sudeep Paul and his team to have given a good session for the last 2 days. I would definitely recommend my colleagues to come and attend any of these courses in future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Pereira and I'm from Goa. So this course was recommended by one of my colleagues, Dr. Saklesha, and it's proved to be a very insightful and well thought about course. It gives us a gist into the planning section so we understand and not merely just approve what is happening. So yes, a very nice course indeed. Thanks Blue Sky and Image 3D for the wonderfully organized course.
Myself, Dr. Vikram Bilkode. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I came all the way to learn the 3D printing software and how it is to be printed. Being a prosthodontist, it is very important thing for us to know the newer versions, newer techniques, digitalization or all other things. I came to understand and learn many good things from Mr. Sudeep Paul, and I thank for Image 3D conversion for giving good training. And we had good experience related to 3D printing, guides, how the software is to be worked, and all the process were very educating, and hope for more courses related to 3D printing. I request Sudeep sir to give more mentoring sessions to us and all others. Thank you.